Okay, here we go. This is the Raven, not a Blackbird like I said earlier. I was having a brain fart then. Got no pipe on it at all. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh yeah, a little bit too loud for the street, but in the next, then we'll get the pipe on it, we'll see what that sounds like. Alright, welcome back R6 fans. What we got here is a Viper pipe from a British company. The can's 230, the mid pipe was about 50, and it comes with the clamps you need here. Got this cool carbon fiber thing. And you can compare it to the stock. You can see it quite a bit smaller. It's a whole lot lighter. Biggest advantage is it's going to take a lot of weight off your bike. Looks like it's a little bit less than half the length of the stock can and a whole lot lighter. Came off easy. We had to have this wedged out so it would fit on the header pipe. It was a little bit too small factory, and we'll get her put together and we'll fire it up and see what it sounds like. Okay, we're back, and here's the pipe installed on the bike. Had a few small problems, nothing big getting back on there. And I tell you what, it really cleans up the look of the bike. It looks real nice. And you compare it to that satin can, didn't have any polish to it. Alright, you're probably wanting to know what it sounds like. They sure aren't going to have any problem hearing him coming. This bike seems to run okay. As you can see, it snowed last night and the roads are nasty, so we're not going to go anywhere today. I was hoping we'd go for a test ride, but it woke up to this about 1.5 inches or so. No big deal. All right, you guys, catch you all later.